Hey everybody, this is Dane. Want to take you through this home. It's called the Spirit 2-bedroom, 2-bath, tiny home. Really nice. Thought we'd do a walkthrough in that. Let's go inside and take a look. Okay, so this is called the Spirit 2-bedroom, 2-bath, single section home, single wide. We'll do a quick walkthrough, then we'll go inside. Do the walkthrough after you do the quick walk around rather. Okay, we're gonna do a walkthrough video on the Spirit 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This home is a little under 900 square feet. We got the ecobee smart heat comfort system. Tub shower combo. And then we come over here to bedroom number 2. Got the big window, lots of natural lighting here. I'm shooting this video at about 5 p.m. The sun's going down, so lots of great natural lighting in here, even though there's no power to it. And that closet is massive for the number 2 bedroom. Wow, that's really big. If you're downsizing, this is a great home. 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Or it could be a second home or a lake home. Got the island here with the kitchen sink built in. Has the nice stainless appliances that come with it. Nice big stainless vent hood here. Let's come around to look at your utility room. Really nice door going out the back there. Lots of really nice cabinets that go all the way around your stainless fridge here. You have your little outlets here on your island, which makes it nice. The utility room right off the back door. Got the Ream hot water heater. Nice louvered doors. Nice detail on the doors. Got your smart comfort heat and air system carrier. Really nice. Love that residential style door on the front. As we go down the hall here. What's this? Oh, yes, a huge pantry. Everybody loves to have the pantry. There it is. It's a big one. Very nice, especially for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Nice big sink, big cabinets, big walk-in shower. So 2 full baths, one with the shower and with the seats. Nice big window in the primary bathroom. Nice big, really big closet in here. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is your 2-bedroom, 2-bath Spirit.